Every founder starts the week with one plan until work starts finding them. The harder he works, the busier he gets. Busy feels productive, but nothing is actually moving forward. Next door, another founder has the same business. The only difference? He stopped asking people to do robot work. One customer, two completely different outcomes. One business reacts, the other has a system. That's where growth begins. 6 months later, one founder is still busy, the other is building the business. Same effort, completely different results. The advantage was never working harder. It was removing the work that never needed a human in the first place. At Revino, we help businesses build AI systems that work alongside every department, from marketing and sales to finance, HR, operations, customer support, and the CEO's office. Because the businesses that grow the fastest won't be the ones with the biggest teams. They'll be the ones with the smartest systems. Ready to build yours? Connect with Revino.